Ever wonder how avalanche rescues work? AI is transforming how we save lives buried under tons of snow. Avalanches happen in seconds. AI models simulate snow behavior to predict dangers before they strike. AI-driven drones scan vast snowy landscapes faster than humans, pinpointing victims' locations precisely. Teams use AI data to dig smartly, save crucial minutes, and reach buried victims alive. AI also learns from past avalanches, helping communities prepare and avoid future disasters. Conscious AI, avalanche rescues are faster and smarter, turning tragedies into hopeful recoveries.